What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you know, I am coming to you with another hair review. Today I will be reviewing Hollyhood Hair's boutique. Weeks ago I was unable to go and grab the hair because I had an accident, so I was unable to go and pick up the hair myself. But you are able to pick up the hair in Houston. She does have a location where you can pick it up, or you can have it delivered to your house. I purchased a 13x4 raw body wave wig in 26 inches. When I got my order, when I picked up the bag, I was like, what's in this? It's heavy. I was like, what's in here, bricks? But when I looked in there, all I saw was just hair. I was like, oh my God, this is a lot of hair. But I also forgot that it's 200% density. I completely forgot that fact. But yes, it is a 200% density wig. And I am going to show you today. I went and purchased her hair. I purchased her 26-inch raw body wave hair. And she also included a card. This is her. I am gonna put the link below. I'm also gonna probably put the link on the screen if I ever learn how to do that. So, here it is. So, right off the bat, it comes in a mesh. So far, it is like really heavy. Can y'all see that? Like, look at that. Look at that. This is her raw hair, you guys. Right out the package. This is the hair right out the package, you guys. Look at this hair. It is so bouncy. It has some weight to it, yes, but it is also a 200% density wig. It is thick through and through. Look at that. It's 26 inches of beauty. Ends are great. Look at those ends. Look at that. I am running my hands through it to see if anything comes out. I do get a couple of hairs, but that's to be expected. It is a wig. It's our own hair shed, so why not the wig too? But it's not a lot. It's not unbearable. It's not crazy. Look at that. I just get like one strand here, two strands here. Normal. That's fine. It is an HD frontal, and the knots are very invisible. Like, they're very small. Very small. It is a brown color. I want to say like it's a number 1B2. It doesn't have a bad smell at all. It's gorgeous. It's gonna probably be my best friend for some reason. But I will be coming back with it fully installed on another video. I will not do it on this video because I want to actually have this hair professionally installed. Normally I put my wigs on myself and they're glueless. They're glueless wigs because I don't know how to do the whole gluing thing. So that's what you get. If anybody is wondering what hair I'm wearing today, I am wearing hair from Kendra's Hair Boutique. I purchased her hair in November during the Black Friday sale. If anybody wants to know the deets on this hair, please drop a comment below. I can do a review on this hair, but I cannot do an unboxing because I never did one. This was supposed to be my birthday hair, and I just came home and made the wig and put it on my head. I never thought about doing an unboxing video, but I can do a review on her hair as a whole. So if anybody wants to get a video on that, please comment below and I will make it happen for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and please turn on your notifications because I will be dropping a few videos pretty soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.